Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Let's go again, yeah. Go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Today is Koffee 21st birthday, so I want to take this moment to say happy birthday to Koffee. Big up Koffee every time, you see what I say. And people would encourage you to get in the comment section and bigger up on our birthday too, right? So Koffee turned 21 people. We know that 21 is a pivotal moment in a lot of people's life. If you're not yet 21, when you get to 21, maybe, you know what I mean, that becomes a pivotal moment. Or for the people that will pass already, you can remember when I'm at 21, right? Remember when me at 21, me feel like I could have taken the world and I never have much compared to what Koffee have, you know what I mean? Koffee is a Grammy winner and, you know what I mean, her music is going great. Everything seems to be going great for her. So, 21, I want powerful moment, at least for me still. May I speak for myself. So if you don't agree with me, you can tell me down in the comment section. Alright? So big up Koffee one more time on her birthday. She did share a little post on her Instagram and a lot of people, you know what I mean, reply to it. Yeah, the expected ones them, you see me I say, and more. You have like Chronics definitely and Protege them and Popcorn them and all of them did a send her happy birthday, you know. Producer like Denry and everybody did a bigger up on her birthday. So yeah, that's how it go, people. No Koffee now go really post a lot or even say nothing. She just put it and said 21 with a little emoji. She never really even say nothing. You see me? But that's Koffee. Love her said we bigger up. Alright, people, so let's talk about Shenseea. So we all know say Shenseea lost her mom last year. And you know she have her time when she just have that moment there where she like go back and flashback her. In this case, she says she ate going through her phone because when she got through her phone, she see all the videos of her and her mom are. In this case now, she shares some video where her mom in the background while she teach her son some schoolwork. You see me? So I'm going to show you the video them so you can understand what Shenseea say. And then we are going to move on to our another story. Here goes.
Or I can get a ball. Bus.
No, I can get a B dash dash
Bat.
dash. No, wait, no. At
The store.
Alright.
Mommy, can I have some music?
No, not right now. After, come.
Mommy, when I finish, you gonna give me a candy?
Of course, if you want.
For number 4.
No, we're gonna look up here now. What you can get at the store? That starts with B.
Book.
Good boy. Come.
It's time for O.
Yes. Here. And
K. Take.
yes, so come.
What take is this?
We take this bus to go home.
You go on the bus. Take the bus.
We're at number 5. A. I like A's. They're my favorite letter.
Yeah, A is your favorite letter?
Cake. That's G.
I don't think that A is writing proper. I don't think that A right. A. That A don't do good.
Mommy, I like McQueen car.
Yeah, after.
Can they buy me a light McQueen car?
Maybe.
You have one already.
I like the McQueen car. Like you can drive with some wheels. With not a scooter.
Yes, that is better.
Okay.
And then
E.
we need to.
Got one green garnish for the gentleman? Then I'd like to sell out one.
Yeah, people, I can only imagine how Shenseea feel, but I just want to say, you know what I mean, rest in peace to her mom one more time, and our heart goes out to Shenseea, because we understand, you know what I mean, that she and her mom before her mother passed away, so of course it a go hit her hard, and she a go always a keep on her post, and she always a go have them kind of episode there, you see me? So go and stay strong, Shenseea, just go and hold up your head, you know what I mean, the fans them there for you, and everybody there cheer for you and support you, and big up Mama Shen, you know what I mean, wherever she is right now. I mean, her soul be rest in peace. Alright? So the next video I want to show you people, I want to show you Skatta in the self-driving car, in the cyborg taxi. You see me? And guess what the man a play? We in a smile again, big tune. The man a play the big tune when produce. See? So I'm going to play this real quick for you. We're going to talk about it a little bit, because I want to know if you are going brave so for ride in a driverless car. Alright? So take a look at this video. Here goes.
Yes. Alright, me about to take this driverless car, go to Walmart. Driverless car mean no driver, straight machine. You understand me? Computer thing, so let's see how it go. Pray for my people.
This car is all yours with no one up front. Doors are closing.
Okay, take me to the nearest Walmart.
Heading to Walmart Supercenter. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the help button to speak with a rider support agent.
Play fully bad. We now smile again. Increase volume.
We not smile again. We survive and been through it all. Them a pray hard for we don't fall, but them will never see me ball. We not smile again.
Yeah, so big up Skatta. But people, me have to tell you, Skatta is a genius. You see me, I say him really pull a genius marketing move panda 1 year. And I can't do nothing but respect it. You see me? So it's not really Skatta in the car. There's an original video somewhere. You see me? It's a person named Jesse Boyer, I think his name is. You see me? Him actually riding at the self-driving car to Walmart and him video it. And Skatta see the opportunity for put the fully bad tune on it. And it worked, people. May I tell you something surprised? We see how much people react to the man video and people hear the tune. It worked. If you go look on Skatta page, you see the amount of people, you know what I mean, the whole music industry surprised by Tony Matara and them over there, Not Nice, all the producers, Sean Izzle, everybody. I say, whoa, this can real. Ray. Skatta, careful, you see me? So, the man get where he want, the man promote him song. And them way them here talk about people by any means. You see, any kind of opportunity you see to promote the song, you take it. You see me, and that's what Skatta did. And I can't do nothing but respect that. I just laugh, me have you laugh straight. Because I can't believe it actually worked. And if me never see the video, people, me would have convinced you Skatta for real, see what I say. So big up Skatta Panda 1. The people, the song is out now. It's called We Not Smile Again. And you can stream it on YouTube, Spotify, all of the platforms. You see what I say? It's by Fully Bad, by the way, produced by Skatta Burrell from Dancehall Entertainment. Right? So people, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself. That's it. I'm going to leave it right there. So for today, so if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. I'm out.
Extra.
It's the one not to miss, the one everyone's talking about. So make sure you get your tickets now for Alkaline Live.
SD Land, Tampa, Florida, February 20. I'm gonna be there.
Alkaline Live in concert, Saturday, February 20th, along with Insidious, Ayara, and many more. Saturday, February 20th at the SD Lawn, 5317 North Walkenburg Road, Tampa. Advance tickets at $50. Purchase your tickets now at Eventbrite.com. It's your last few days to get advance tickets and cabanas for Alkaline Live in concert.
After all.
Insidious, Ayara, and more artists.
This event is officially sponsored by SecoClarkLawGroup.com. For more info, call 407-749-8064 or 407-803-1212. Saturday, February 20th. Don't miss Alkaline live in concert.
Man, shell me the goddamn boy. That's why everybody at the champion boy.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.